Hi, I'm Nigel. Yesterday we picked up a new toy. That's her door shutting. She's an old girl. She's 40 odd years old. She's 1973. This is my granddaughter. She loves it. I've always wanted one, so when I got some money, we went and bought one. And I've got a really nice guy. It's got a new reconditioned engine, really clean, runs like a dream. So let me introduce you to Peggy. Shall we introduce you to Peggy? Okay, so this is Peggy.
Yeah, that is Peggy.
1972 Volkswagen Westphalia. And we're going to show you around, aren't we? Aren't we, Emmy?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to show them because we've done some bits and pieces.
Yeah.
It's really good. She's got a pop top, she's got an opening roof. It's quite clean. It's really nice. Yeah. Bright orange, so no one can miss us. And we're going to do some adventures in it. I'm going to vlog all of them. Got lots of bits and pieces, like the guy who owned it before gave us a really nice, you know.
Yeah,
Gentlemen.
this is like a...
This is the bed, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is the...
Oh, some little barbecue, but I don't know if we're going to keep it or not. Oh, it's alright, I don't have to open it. Yeah. We're just going to show them a little short ray round here today. Just show them the new van, yeah? So I'll do it in a minute. So we've got fridge, cooker, sink.
Yeah.
There's some heating down there with some speakers.
Yeah.
So we've got some storage in there, which we don't need to look at. And there's all cupboards and storage around, extra curtains and... that's the interior, the driving and passenger area. And it's all clean, really nice, so lovely.
And it's a sunset always.
Is it a sunset? We call it a sunset orange, do we?
Yeah.
Yep. And we fell in love with her, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yep, she's good. So we're going to vlog our adventures and what we do to her. Anything we add, we're going to put some more bits on it anyway. Got some bits coming that we're going to add to it. And yeah, we'll keep you informed.